In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and shop on www.target.com. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or a beginner, this guide will walk you through the essentials of using Target's website to make your shopping experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. First off, open your preferred web browser and head on over to www.target.com. This is one of the biggest retail giants in the United States, and they proudly showcase their motto, expect more, pay less. Right from the homepage, you have access to a wide array of products and services, making it a convenient one-stop shop for just about anything you might need. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the homepage. You'll notice various categories at the top like clothing, home goods, electronics, and more. This makes it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Now let's get into how to view your shopping cart. Once you've browsed through the categories and found the items you'd like to purchase, adding them to your cart is straightforward. Each product page provides a detailed description and multiple images so you know exactly what you're getting. Simply select your desired quantity and any available options such as size or color and click Add to Cart. Navigating to your cart is just a click away. At any point, if you want to review what you have selected, just find the cart icon at the top right corner of your screen, click on the cart. Here you'll see a summary of the items you're planning to buy. This page will show each item's individual price, the total number of items in your cart, and of course the grand total amount. Now is a good time to review your selections. If you need to make adjustments, such as changing quantities or removing items, you can do so easily from this page. It's important to remember that you also have the option to save items for later. This is handy if you're still deciding or waiting for a sale. Just click the Save for Later button and the item will be moved from your active cart to a saved list, perfect for planning future purchases. Finally, if everything looks good and you're ready to buy, you can proceed to checkout. Follow the prompts to enter your shipping and payment information. Just double check that all your details are correct before confirming the order. Target offers various options, including guest checkout if you're not interested in making an account, as well as benefits for registered users, such as tracking your orders and an easy return process. And there you have it, a simple guide to shopping on Target's website. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.